Hey, what's up everybody? Again, it's me, Jeof. Today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you on how and where to get the free music that you can put in your YouTube video. And it's free, guys. And of course, there's no copyright. Yeah, you heard it, guys. No copyright. Okay? But before that, guys, if you are new here, guys, in my channel, stay tuned. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Alright, guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Double cup, become straight, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
So guys, to download, it's very simple. Just it's so easy. Just go to youtube.com. Yeah guys, from the YouTube itself, you can get the free music and the free sound effects. Okay, so once you open the YouTube, just click your this channel, okay, and click the Creator Studio. Once you click it, it will show this page, right? And from the left bottom, you see here, you see the create, okay, and click this one. And also here, this is all the library, the audio library, that you can get the free music, free sound effects as well. This is all the free music that you can download. All right, so guys, this is all free, totally free, no payment at all. All right, so for example, guys, it depends on your music that you want. So for example, guys, I want to download for example this first one, okay, just click this one, the download. All right, and now it's downloading. Now once it download, it will save automatic in your playlist, in your music. So it will show here, guys, as you can see, you're free to use this song in any of your videos. So YouTube, guys, it's a very kind from the YouTube itself, from their website, you can get the free music that you can use in your YouTube video. All right, and one more thing here, guys, you can choose which mode. All right, for example, angry, bright, calm, dark, dramatic. It's up to you guys. You can choose any songs here in audio library from YouTube. All right, instrument also you can choose bass, drums, organ. All right, and here duration, this is the minutes of the music. So for example, if you have like a long video, you can choose the long music, like 5 minutes, the duration of the audio of the music. Right, and attribution, blah blah blah, licenses. And also here, guys, you can search from here. Okay, so for example, and aside from the free music, guys, you can also download the sound effects. So everything, guys, is free. Just choose which song you want, which track, which music you want. Just download easily and boom. So guys, here, very simple, very easy. You can download more songs, more tracks that you can use in your YouTube video. A lot of options, guys, here.
Alright, guys, that's it. Hope you learned in my tutorial. And if you want to see more content like this, of course, always stay tuned. And what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notification. Peace.